something that I would recommend as a definite do in this final countdown towards the cat is revise the concepts that you're really comfortable with, because that's going to help you the most. And the second thing is that build strategy. Take as many mocks as you're comfortable with and try to build a strategy which helps you in balancing accuracy and with a good number of attempts. I think that's going to be extremely crucial on the D-Day, and that's what you should be working at right now.
In the final weeks up till your cat arrives, I think you should get used to the sleep cycle, which puts you at an optimum level of attention with respect to whichever time slot you've been assigned. And I think you should also finally just revise some of your formulas and revise all other ways of solving your TI or LR sets.
So some of the do's during the last few weeks: revise a lot of mocks, do a lot of mocks, make sure you don't forget all the concepts that you've learned in the past 6 months. And apart from this, the most important factor is to take care of your health. Eat well, sleep well, make sure you're not stress eating, make sure you're not starving yourself to death. Be calm at all times. You've learned a lot, and just be calm at all times. That should be fine.
So don't overstress about your performance in mocks or compare your scores with other people and worry about that. You just want to consistently improve your performance. Don't study too much without taking enough breaks and burn yourself out before the day of the exam. You need to be in the best condition that you can be to give the actual test.
In the last few weeks, do not try to learn new concepts or practice difficult questions that you have never solved earlier. And secondly, do not compare your mock test performance with others. Rather, compare your mock test performances with your performance in the previous exams.
So, for the last few weeks, don't overanalyze, don't overthink, and especially don't compare yourself. And don't push down yourself when you score badly in one or the other mock. Just try to avoid these things and try to remain as positive as you can.
During the final weeks leading up to the cat, I certainly don't think it's a good option to pick up any new topic or overwork yourself by doing something like one mock each day. I think it's really important to just calm down, revise what you've done, and whatever work you've done throughout these last few months will really shine through on the day of the cat.
So during the last few days, I actually reduced the intensity of my preparation. Now my preparation just included taking mocks and reviewing them. And that too, I used to just take 2 mocks per week. And I used to focus more on strategizing and keeping a strong mental framework. So that is really important during the last few days, building self-confidence and being calm.
I revised all the topics one by first looking into the basic concepts and then solving questions of varying levels of difficulty. I also gave many mock tests and analyzed my performance. This helped me to identify my weak areas and improve accordingly.
So by the start of the last 2 to 3 weeks last year, I had already solved around 60 to 65 mock tests. So I had a huge repository of questions. So I used to go back and solve those questions again and again and build on my speed and accuracy. Apart from that, I would focus on my health because that is most important.
In the last few weeks, I had made a detailed revision plan which had a mix of revising basic concepts and formulas, going through difficult questions of previous mocks, and giving a few more mocks for practice. I made sure that I did not overwork or worry too much about the exam.